Hey guys, it's Roel and welcome back to another episode of my vlog. We are currently in El Nido, Palawan, but we are on our way to Puerto Princesa. So it's been 3 hours since our departure from El Nido, so we decided to have a stopover. Good morning! So, sobrang ginabi na kami last night guys. So, I was unable to film our arrival. But we are currently staying at Eden's Traveler Lodge. Sobrang okay naman and napaka-friendly na mga staff. Anyway, today we are going for a tour at Puerto Princesa Underground River. So, tara, samahan niyo ako. Welcome to Puerto Princesa. Are you ready? Let's go! We just arrived in Puerto Princesa's Central Park ng Underground River, and few minutes from now papasok tayo sa loob. So, I'll see you inside. And we're back. Of course, hindi kumpleto ang Puerto Princesa tour without trying the famous Tamilok.
Mamaya sir, darugin niyo na lang yung city.
Ang laki? Malaki talaga? Pwede bang kamayin do? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Go! Go!
Parang talaba lang po.
Patay ka na? Masarap.
Parang oyster.
Masarap siya, pero medyo mahirap nguyain. Pag inisip mo na woodworm siya, medyo maduduwal ka. So ako inisip ko na nata de coco, kaya naubos ko. So, yeah. I'll see you on the Eden's Travel Lodge. And we are back on our lodging place. If you are not familiar with Tamilok, it's actually an exotic food that is very popular here in Puerto Princesa. People call it woodworm, pero yung lasa niya lasang talaba. Tip ko lang, kung plano nyong kumain ng Tamilok, mas ma-appreciate nyo siya kung maliliit lang yung slices. Unlike kasi ako, sobrang haba, kaya sobrang tagal bago ko nailunok lahat. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to. As always, please don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time.